Hey guys, it's your girl Erica and welcome back to my channel. Ohayo gozaimasu. So it's currently 7 a.m. It is way too early. It's way before I normally wake up. But Otis is getting neutered today, which I don't know how they call that in Japan. What do they call it?
I don't know either.
Yeah. He's getting his balls taken off.
矯正手術
何?
矯正手術 It's too early. 矯正手術
Got it. Okay, yeah. Otis is ready to go. He doesn't know what's happening. So yeah, we're just gonna go. He hasn't got out yet, so we're just gonna go grab him. What, buddy?
Oh my god.
I'm so sorry. Hey, buddy. Otis, you ready? You're gonna get your balls taken off.
We're gonna hurry. Here we go.
Okay, so we are on the way to the vet. I know we're going to a different location this time. And he's literally like touching me. Great, I'm gonna be covered with dog hair. So the last time I took him to the vet, he did not like it. And I think it's because he knew he was gonna get shots or something like from the first time. So he gave the vet a very hard time. Very much. Like pulled the vet all the way back to my car and was like literally trying to yank away from her when she was trying to drag him inside. So I don't know if he'll act the same way just because it's a different vet. Maybe the vibes are the same, I don't know. So we are at the west side animal clinic. We have to call to get in. Oh, I think Otis knows now. And we are now calling.
BCA Westside Animal Clinic, this is Lauren, how can I help you?
Hi, I'm trying to check in Otis this morning.
Under Philip.
Yes.
And is this the best phone number to contact you at today?
Yes.
Alright. I'll have someone come out in just a couple minutes.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you.
Alright. So because of coronavirus, we do have to call in. We can't go inside the building, so they're gonna come out and grab Otis from us. Normally we'd walk in there and then they would just take him from there, but today is a little different. Right, buddy?
I don't know how long it's gonna take. Because it's very big. You know. Ding dong. Hi, Otis. Yes. Sorry.
No,
He's gonna be a little bit excited.
Hey, you want me to go on the other side and grab him?
She can come out with the dog.
Alright, I'll just chill out.
Okay.
Hi, dude. Come on. He says that he does not want to go now.
Yeah, he knows. He knows the vet. He just doesn't like the vet very much.
Mess around you just so you don't slip out of your leash, okay, dude? Good job. Alrighty, so we'll call you in just a little bit, let you
Okay.
know when he's out, and
Okay.
then pickup will normally be around 4 o'clock.
So we just dropped him off. He didn't resist very much.
Well, that's like I said. He doesn't know this place.
He doesn't know this is a vet, but I'm pretty sure he's figuring that out now.
It's not a play date.
It's not a play date, that's for sure. So now we're going to Walmart and buying him a treat to say, we're sorry we cut your balls off.
But he has a treat.
But he has a treat, so he should be okay. He's gonna have a cone. Oh my god, I'm gonna laugh so hard. He's gonna have a cone on his head.
Aww.
Yeah, we know that won't last for us.
But he likes ripping it apart though.
I know he does.
A ball? Ball maybe?
He likes the squeakies.
Yeah. How about this big pig?
This is thin though. He'll rip this up in like 2 seconds. Look, it's already ripped.
Oh my.
No squishy.
Gong gong. How about this one? This little iguana looking thing.
Iguana.
It's this. It's a blue shark. Is this shark or iguana?
This?
This.
Oh. It's a shark.
Does it squeak?
No, or not that I can. Oh, it does squeak. I just can't. Where? It's too hard. Oh. It's right there, but I can't get it.
Uh-huh.
Hey guys, so it is 3:42, and we are gonna go to Starbucks and grab a puppuccino, which is like basically like an animal-friendly whipped cream as a treat for Otis when he gets out of the vet. He is done. We're gonna go pick him up at 4. So that is the plan. And yeah, so we're on the way. So this is the Starbucks. It's not on the menu, you just have to ask for it. We'll do a venti puppuccino for my dog.
Oh, venti?
Yeah. He's a big dog. He's a pit bull Dalmatian. He's massive.
I will have to make more with, but it only takes a couple seconds.
Okay, you're good. Alright, and then he's gonna want a tall mango dragon fruit mixed with strawberry acai.
I do not have strawberry acai, but I do have berry.
Berry berry.
Yeah, and people will mix those too sometimes.
You can try it, sure.
You wanna try it?
We'll do
you
that.
Want lemonade?
You wanna do lemonade with that? Yeah. We'll do that, and then I'll do the same thing, but I'll do a grande. And then I'll just add, do you have the strawberries?
Oh, yes.
We'll just add strawberries into it.
I'm gonna charge you grande, but...
Oh my god, Sean. Let me see how much whipped cream that is. It's just for It's so big. Oh my god. And that's a lot of freaking.
This is just
whipped cream.
This is just whipped cream, right?
Yeah, but it's dog friendly.
But it's whipped cream, but I'm pretty sure
It's gonna be interesting how Otis can eat that with a cone around it.
Oh yeah, I'm gonna have to hold it up for him.
Yeah, I'll do that. Cause
Oh, look at his arm! Oh, the big baby! Oh.
Oh, okay. Okay, Otis. Hi, Otis. You okay? I know.
sit.
Oh, this one? They need it? Oh, okay, got it.
Come here, buddy.
Oh,
you got shaved.
Sean, can you take
He
it
does
out?
have a bandage on his arm where we place the IV catheter. Y'all can take that off in about 30 minutes.
30 minutes. Okay. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Oh, Otis. Look, he has no balls.
No balls.
He has no balls.
Oh. No, not.
Sit, Otis, good
Oh,
boy.
it's okay, Otis.
Should we give it to him? So we're gonna give him his puppuccino.
Puppuccino. Okay, Otis.
Ready?
Otis. No. Look, Otis, look.
Otis.
Good?
Otis, what's that?
Yeah.
Otis, come here.
Otis, look.
Hey, buddy. Hey,
Look,
Otis, you want a treat?
Oh, you're good, Otis.
Okay.
You're good.
Oh, look at his face.
Look. Otis, look.
It's
Let me
getting
see.
everywhere.
Otis.
Let me see.
Hey.
Did you like it?
He
Good
likes
boy, Otis. Good boy. Oh, you're good. You're making a big mess, Otis. Can we do it? Can we do it at the house? That's it. No more. Okay, I'll give it to you when we get to the house, okay?
Otis, don't
It's
lick
okay.
the couch.
It's okay.
The
Otis,
couch? The couch? Are we on the couch?
it's okay, Otis. It's okay. But I can't deal with this mess. It's everywhere. I'll give it to you. Are you happy to be home, Otis?
Otis, come here, Otis.
Are you happy to be home?
So he can't run and jump around for the next few days.
Otis, sit.
Here, Sean, take it away and make him sit real quick.
Can you sit?
Otis, sit.
Can you, or
Hey,
is it hard to sit? It's okay.
No, he'll straddle us.
Sit.
See?
There you go. Good
Hey,
puppy.
no.
Is that good? Like a baby, oh the dog. Oh, the dog, you're like a baby. Oh, you're making a huge man. You're making a huge man, but it's okay. You're cleaning by yourself.
You still got them off the floor.
It's okay.
Left hand first and then your
You
right
like
hand on
it.
top. Then you pop them.
No,
Let go of the spoon.
No.
You ready?
Up, open.
Okay, stop licking.
It's okay. Just give it to him.
I'm trying to get it in his mouth, but when he does that, it's hard to put it in. Anyway, so yeah, I hope you guys did enjoy the video. Please leave a like and subscribe. Leave a comment down below about Otis, because I sure do. And he will be fine. We'll put updates on Instagram, so we'll leave our Instagrams down in the description. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Otis dog, did you do all this? Did you do all this? Where's your sharky? Is that your sharky? See? I knew it's not gonna last. Are you having a fun? Otis dog? Otis? Is it good?